I want to ask you a question about monetization, right? I hear a lot of people that get on YouTube and they keep talking about, oh, I'm waiting for YouTube to include me in the partners program. How do I make money? Tell us a little bit about how do you monetize your content, or how do you plan to monetize your content? Are you doing this full-time, part-time? Do you want to do this full-time? Tell us a little bit about, the money side of your content.
Yeah. To be honest, when I first started this, I just wanted to help people and I wanted to fulfill my dream of becoming an actress. And I'm like, okay, if you're not giving me a spot at your table, I'm going to build my own table. And that's what YouTube was all about for me. I just wanted to create content. I wanted to act. I wanted to, put myself out there. And that's really what I was focusing on. And money wasn't a focus at all. But then after you start and after you continuously make content and people are seeing that, people start reaching out to you. A lot of third parties reached out to me. And that's something that I didn't realize before. I didn't really do my research before. And when someone reached out, I was like, oh, cool, you want to give me money? All right, awesome, let's do this. And I joined with like third-party organizations, which was taking about 40% of my pay, which kind of sucks because a lot of them are 60-40, some of them might be like 30-70 if anything, but like a lot of them are 60-40. So I didn't know better at that time and I took it. And it increased my views and increased my followers for sure, because they do push your content out a little bit more. But at the same time, I wasn't making all the money that I should be getting because it's my content, right? But eventually, I joined up with just Google, with just YouTube, and partnered with YouTube, and now I get 100% of my pay. But before that, it was like a little bit of an iffy spot. So make sure that you're doing your research before you go off and sign off with any third party.
And was that called an MCN? Is that the term that you would use for the partner that you were working with in your early YouTube days?
Yes. That's
okay.
Right.
So with that, would you advise new content creators who are prospected by these MCNs to do some research and go with them, or do you suggest that you should stay away from them as much as you can? Like, what's been your experience working with an MCN? Would you go back again or not?
I don't think I'd go back, but as a new YouTuber, I think it helped me because they helped me push my content out and they got me new followers and stuff. Or I don't know if it was that or if it was, my content itself was just reaching to other people. I'm not sure what it was, but it seemed like they helped me a lot. And in the beginning, when YouTube wasn't partnering with me, these people were helpful in order to like get me more ads and get me paid and whatnot. But I wouldn't advise it for like bigger, as you're growing, I would say stick to YouTube partnership only.